Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver is moving and how the price of silver can move in the next week. Okay, if you look at this chart, the price of silver is moving in a particular range. Okay, and after making a low, it is again in an uptrend. Okay, so now what we can see is that after making a low of around 23.74, it has bounced back and moving an upside and made a high of around 26.61. okay, this is an April month, mid high in April month. So now what we can see is if it goes below 26.03, then we can see there can be a further downfall, or if it goes above 26.58, then we can see there is a probability it can move upside. See, 25.85 is a strong support here. So once this level is break downside, then we can see a little further low downside, okay, in a range of around 24.58, and the down support is around 23.58, which is a low, month's low. So once the price of silver comes at this level, around this level, then we can see there can be a further. So once this price goes below 26 point above 26.61, then we can see there it, because it is a strong resistance, once this level is touched, then we can see it can go further high, okay, and can make a level of around 26.86. okay, so what we can see here is that once this level is touched, then we can see it can touch a level of which will be coming near to its all-time high. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding your silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my telegram channel, link in the description. Please watch the full video, then only you understand that how this working. See, this is a strong resistance around 26.64, and once this level is break upside, then we can see further high around 27.08. once this level is touched and stays above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 27.50 also. So as of now we can see that the strong support is around 25.20. okay, at once this level is break downside, if it comes below this level, then we can see there can be a downside, but we can see a pattern is forming. Once this pattern is break upside or downside, we can see there can be a further low or there can be a further high. So if the price goes above 26.64, then we can see it can touch a level of 26.90, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can touch a level of 27.08 also. okay, once it is touched 08, then we can see a level of 28.23 also. okay, once 28.23 is touched, okay, then we can see there can be a chances it can go further up. okay, because we can see there the resistance and upside resistance is more upside, so we can see there can be a probability it can move up more up in upside way. So see, 28.80 also, once this level is crossed upside and stays above that level. okay, and the all-time high of around 30. So we'll be looking at that there is a probability it can touch its all-time high. So further what you have to look in this, that if the price of silver moves above 27, then we can see there can be a further upside, or if it goes below 25, okay, then we can see 25.5, then we can see there can be a more downfall in the price of, then we can see there can be a more downside fall if it goes below 25.62. okay, this is what we can see here. okay, so once this level is break 25.24 25.25, then we can see there can be a downfall with a strong support, I have told you already, at around 24.5. once this level is break, then we can see it is around April's low, and once April's low is touched, then we can see there can be a further downfall in the price of silver. okay, so how you have to trade that, once if it comes near to its support downside, then we can see there can be further low, and it can break once 20, so it can break more for low at this point. Okay, so hope you like the video. And see, if I'm suggesting that once this price stays above 26, then we can see there can be a further rise in the price of silver, but it has to stay above 26. But if it stays below 25.25 and break a level of 24.5, then we can see it can make a further low. Okay, so this is, hope you like the video.